Everyone wants to know why I don't support Colleen Hoover, and here's why. First off, she's written and published books that clearly have lines in them that are just sheer racist. And allegedly her son SA'd a girl, and when the victim came forward, Colleen dismissed her, blocked her, and cut off all communications with that girl, and I don't really think it's right how she preaches how survivors should come forward. But when her son's alleged victim comes forward, that doesn't apply to her, and she cuts off the victim and doesn't do what she preaches. In her book Ugly Love, she writes the line, "We laughed at our son's big balls," which is absolutely disgusting, and I want to know what made her write that line and what she was thinking, because a normal person wouldn't even think to write something like that. And there are many reasons why I don't support Colleen Hoover, but do you support Colleen, and do you read any of her books? Comment down below.